uh, we are recording our this call, so it should be treated as energy for others as well.
Okay, okay, done.
Yeah. So we have created a system to
Okay,
defeat these politicians,
okay,
and we call that it is a crime-free Bharat membership or
okay,
crime-free Bharat Chandragupta.
okay,
So crime-free Bharat members or
okay,
membership,
okay,
it indicates that there are two type of the people.
okay,
Few people they do not want to come in front.
okay,
They want to stay behind the curtain,
okay,
and because of their own thinking, there is because of their own limited capacity, that is on account of their experiences
okay,
and on account of the family conditions,
okay,
or they do not want to really come in front, but
okay,
they really want the change India
okay, okay.
as we are promising.
Yes, yes, yes.
So we say such people can join as a crime-free Bharat members.
Okay, okay,
And there are the three things which they are supposed to perform
okay,
as a member of the crime-free Bharat.
okay,
Number one, they are supposed to add 90 people,
okay,
preferably 10 people every day for 9 days, and their pledge will be complete within 9 days, right?
okay, okay,
If they could not do within 9 days, they may take little longer duration,
okay,
but it should not be more than 90 days.
okay.
Preferably within 90 days, 90 people should be added. It means at least one person should be added every day.
Oh, it is added in the, how do you add, sir?
Oh, great. Both very good question. Pradeep, it is a wonderful question from your side. Otherwise, I would have missed it. So, uh, I will send you a link, and you are supposed to join
Okay,
through Crime Free Bharat Mission app.
okay,
So the moment you click on the link, that Crime Free Bharat Mission app would be downloaded, and you are supposed to uh, uh, put your photo.
okay,
You can write about yourself,
okay,
and you have to write the pin code of your area,
okay,
right? And the moment you will submit,
uh,
you became the member of the Crime Free Bharat,
okay,
and the system is issuing identity card then and there,
okay,
which is available in your app.
okay,
So you are supposed to click on your app,
okay,
and after clicking at the bottom right side, there is a profile.
okay, okay,
So if you click on your profile, you will see your identity card over there.
okay, okay,
And there are the four tabs for performing the purpose. Number one, share on WhatsApp.
okay,
Second tab says copy link. So
okay,
share on WhatsApp need no explanation. You can share on the WhatsApp.
okay,
But the crime free Bharat says even if you are sharing on the WhatsApp,
okay,
you are supposed to जो है explain him the concept.
okay,
And there is a crime free Bharat YouTube channel having more than 300 video records. So
Okay.
whichever you are feeling is most relevant for your kind of situation,
okay,
that you can share with them.
okay,
And after the sharing, you are supposed to discuss. And as I inquire, you are also supposed to inquire whether they want to remain behind the curtain and become a crime-free Bharat member, or they want to fight it from the front as a crime-free Bharat Chandragupta.
okay,
Right?
okay, okay.
So
Front runner will be Chandragupta, otherwise they are members.
otherwise, they are the member. The people, those who do not want to come into the front, they can be on the back.
Okay.
And such people will get a transformed Bharat.
Okay,
But the Chandragupta, they will be, if they will come in the merit list. For example,
okay,
Karnataka state is having membership of the 224 MLAs, right?
okay,
So 224 MLAs,
okay,
the merit list of the Karnataka state would be containing 224 people,
okay,
those who have added the maximum number of the people through app.
okay,
So they are supposed to conduct some kind of the group discussion. They are supposed to see one video and
Okay.
after deliberation they are supposed to inquire whether the person is interested as a member or he is interested as a Chandragupta,
Okay.
and then the person is added through the same link,
Okay.
right? So that is the process.
Okay.
And if you add one person,
Uh,
the app will be declaring you as a Mohalla Adhikari, that is your neighborhood in charge, right?
okay.
The moment you add three people, you become the town officer.
Okay.
The moment you add five people, you become the block officer.
Okay.
The moment you add 10 people, you become district officer.
Okay.
And if you add 50 people, you become state officer. And
Okay.
if you add 100 people, then you become national officer.
Okay.
And after adding 100 people, your journey of the Chandragupta start. Before that, you are in the journey of the Sadas only.
Okay. Okay.
Right? So Chandragupta process will start only when you added 100 or more.
Okay.
And now the Chandragupta is a competition
Okay.
where people continuously conduct that sangoshtis and try to add as many people as possible, so
Okay.
that they can be within 224 members.
Okay. Okay.
The topper will be the chief minister.
Okay.
First 25, 30 people will be the ministers, and 224 will be the MLAs.
Okay.
So that is the gain.
Okay.
And in the process, that model says that if you complete your pledge of adding 90 people,
Okay.
70% of the population will become our member.
Okay.
Right? So then it will happen within 9 days. If you add 10 people each day, then within 9 days you will be more than 100 crore at the national level, and 70% of the population of the Karnataka will be your member.
Okay.
Right? Now that as a member, the second part of the pledge is that you will see one video at the Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel to enhance your energy level and motivation level, right?
Okay. Okay.
So that is the first, second part. And third part, when Chandragupta will be nominated, Chandragupta will be, say, competitive examination result is declared.
Okay.
So this result will be declared on the day of the declaration of the election.
Okay.
Since we did not start the process early, hence we have to separately declare when we will be declaring its result for the Karnataka. Because we are already late, we have started this process today only.
Okay.
It means today we are not ready for with the Chandragupta, so it will be taking at least minimum 9 days.
Okay.
So we will be doing in a 15 days. After 15 days,
Okay.
the people those who have added the maximum number,
Okay.
224 people will be selected as a Chandragupta,
Okay.
and one political party which has surrendered all of its right to the Crime Free Bharat mission, because Crime Free Bharat mission is not a political party, it is a mission, right?
Okay.
So a independent political party has surrendered all of its right with the promise that ticket will only be given to our Chandraguptas,
Okay.
right? So the president of this party will be carrying one certificate of the Chandragupta that you have added so many people and you stand on the this rank, that kind of the certificate he will be carrying. And after handing over the certificate, the president of that political party will be handing the ticket also.
Okay. Okay.
So you need not to run around, the ticket will be reaching to you, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now, since 70% people, they have taken the pledge, okay, from the date of the declaration of the Chandragupta, they will go on the roof of their building and they will be banging thalis and they will be lighting deepak or lamp
Okay.
and will be shouting, saying the pledge that Pradeep Kumar is my Chandragupta and I will vote for him.
Okay.
This will happen every day, and on the polling day, this person, the members will go to the polling booth and they will be casting the vote in favor of the Chandragupta Pradeep Kumar.
Okay.
Right? So there is a otherwise guarantee that Pradeep Kumar will be winning without any expenditure and he will not be conducting any canvassing. He need not to conduct any sabha,
Okay.
because when the voter themselves are taking the pledge,
Okay.
then there is no need of any public meeting. There is no need of any kind of the canvassing. There is no need of anything. Do you agree with me?
Sir, I agree, sir. And the trends also will change.
Trend will also change. One thing also be appreciated, when 70% of the population will be going upstairs on the roof and will be lighting lamp and will be banging on the thalis and shouting that I will be voting for my Chandragupta, Mr. Pradeep Kumar. So the 30% population will also get induced, and majority of them, they will also जो है ना go upstairs and will start saying the same thing कि Pradeep Kumar is my Chandragupta, I am going to vote for him, right?
Okay.
So instead of 70%, probably 90% people will be voting for you.
Okay.
It means that all other party will not only getting defeated, but the majority of them, they will lose their so-called jamanat.
Okay, deposit.
That is called deposit or security, right?
Yes. Yes.
So their deposit or security will be forfeited, because
Okay.
they could not get even the minimum qualified percentage which they are supposed to get.
Okay.
So this is the model.
Okay. Okay.
And now I would like to know how much you have impressed of this model.
So this is very much required, sir, now situation, because we being part of the state government, I am really struggling to coping up with this criminal, sir.
Now जो है, there is such a powerful system that after 5 years,
Yes, sir.
no criminal would be having option to commit crime.
So now
I-
our present Attorney General of India,
Mhm.
Mr. Advocate Venkatramani,
Mhm.
he is my close friend.
Okay.
His concept also, what you say is his concept, sir.
Oh, great. So why don't you share his number, and I will be sending you the link of my app, and you please join it. And whether you would like to be Chandragupta or you would like to be member.
So that I'll think it over, so I'll discuss.
In any case, you have to first complete the obligation of a.
Anyway, I'll be part of the system.
It does not really make any difference, because it is a mission and it is not violating any service condition or conduct rule.
Okay.
Hence, everybody,
Okay.
whether in the service or otherwise,
Okay.
whole population can join this mission, right?
Okay.
Only when you will become Chandragupta, at that stage when you will be given the ticket, as per the condition that you should be member of that party.
Okay.
So only the Chandragupta, it means 224 people will be joining that party to complete the codal formality.
Okay. Right.
And since you are already assured of your winning,
Okay.
hence it is a win-win situation. At that moment time, you may not mind even resigning from the service. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes.
When you are having the surety of getting win without spending 5 penny, without doing any canvassing,
Yes, sir.
then at that stage you can take a call whether you would like to really opt for basically political ticket, or you may decline also.
Okay.
If you decline, then you will get a certificate of the Chandragupta, and the merit list will go one down. So instead of 224, the person who is at the 25th place, he will get an opportunity and offer of a ticket. Are you getting my point? So even after becoming Chandragupta, you can decide not to go for the ticket.
Okay.
So if you don't go for the ticket, you need not to be the member of any party, then you can continue with the service. So that call you can take in April or whenever that formally it is being given to you, right? So maybe after say a month or so, and till you can discuss with your family and things like that. And and in any case, if you are not in merit list, so you need not to bother, because you are not the Chandragupta.
Yes, yes.
You had been on the in the journey of the Chandragupta without becoming Chandragupta,
Okay, okay, okay.
right?
Yes, yes, yes.
I will be happy to really get the detail of your Advocate General,
Yes, I'll surely I'll send this.
and you please tell him that he will be getting. I will be making a call to him,
Okay.
and I will be too happy if you can. He can also join, because I feel it is too bad that even after the 75 years of the so-called independence, they have thrust the same set of rules, and things are getting worse to bad to worse every day.
Yes, yes, yes.
And there is a no respite. Things are getting bad,
Okay.
bad to worse, and worse to worst. So we must take it a call.
Okay, okay.
Do you agree with that?
I'll agree.
So I will share a app link with you,
Okay.
and I request you to join, because it is not in violation of any conduct rule.
Okay.
So it is absolutely safe, and the target of the crime-free Bharat, it is a mission. It is not a political party.
Okay.
And 21 objective is they are going to transform this nation, including India is going to be a tax-free nation and would be having 20 times more revenue for its development.
Okay.
So it is a very, very powerful concept,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yes.
So Pradeep, I will just share with you on I will share it in the group basically, right?
Okay. So, and I am launching a disaster management training program
Okay.
to throughout the country, because the state governments are not showing any interest on capacity building seriously.
Okay.
So we have started 2 days and 5 days and 15
So
days.
if you call me, I will give a lecture on the disaster management. Also, you know that as a DG Home Guards, I created full technical system to make this country disaster resilient. I will not say disaster free, because disaster free would not be possible.
It's not absolute.
So it will be disaster resilient. Disaster will be taking place without loss of life.
Okay, now we got a trust called Tejas Disaster Management Mitigation Center.
That is in the name of your member of parliament, Tejasvi Surya?
No. It is independent organization. I am the chairman for that.
Okay.
So
you can invite me as a guest speaker.
And yes, we got a lot of experts across the country in that. And we have tied up with
Can I use your services to share this app link from your link, so that you will get the number, and you can become number one Chandragupta, and maybe the chief minister of Karnataka.
Okay.
Maybe, because it is a very transparent kind of competition.
Yes.
Okay.
But what you said, sir, future, there is a hope for that, sir, because like Kejriwal's when he can do it in Delhi, this can work out throughout the country, sir.
Kejriwal was a fraud. He did not have this kind of the vision or this kind of the policy.
But compared to other parties,
compared to other party, he is very, very bad. He is not a good person. He is also distributing freebies. He is not doing anything better. What? Kejriwal is not doing anything better.
Oh, he's not doing it.
Yeah, there may be little bit improvement here and there, but it can be done much better.
Okay.
Now,
this trust, now we are joining with Acharya B Management School, one of the oldest management schools in Karnataka.
Why don't you make all the people of this organization to join? Because then we will make a disaster resilient country, because disaster resilience will be I have already made that portal and things like that. You must be aware as a DG Home Guard Civil Defense when I formally visited you people. If you recall that?
Yes, I remember, sir. And IIT Roorkee has come forward to tie up with us.
Okay.
And
we will make use of everybody. And I am having a concept note to make it happen.
Okay.
And we will not say disaster free, but we will be very close to disaster free. Yes, if the disaster will take place, it will be without of the loss of life at least.
Life and property. And
property only would be saved to the extent which could be transported. right?
Minimal.
But the loss to the livestock or to the property will be minimized to the extent possible.
So because many major operations, last 14 years I was the operational commander for Karnataka disaster management.
Okay.
Almost major structural collapses, 90% I have saved lives, sir.
I am saying we can even do some kind of the retrofitting, so the majority of the structure will not be collapsing, number one. Number two, at least where you are providing the shelters, those places will be absolutely safe.
Okay. So now I am specialized in collapse structure search and rescue and CBR and terrorism from College of Military Engineering also.
Great. So should I expect that you will be adding all the people, those who are in contact with you in connection with the disaster management?
No. Through WhatsApp I'll send, because I got a lot of groups, officials, retired officials, all that.
I will request that whatever the lead I will be sending to you through this group, you please share with all other groups also. And if possible, you can make me the member of those group also. So if I am the member, then I may influence them, and especially for the Karnataka election, since we reacted very late, hence our time to respond is very little. But we need only 9 days. Our model is saying within 9 days everything will be completed. So we need not to worry. We only need 9 days, provided that everybody should complete the pledge of 90 people.
Okay.
So if 90 people to be added as a pledge which has been taken by a normal member, and in any case Chandragupta is a completion.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So I request you please do the needful, and I am sending the link.
Surely I'll do it.
I will send the link in the group itself, WhatsApp group itself. Okay?
Done.
Right. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.